Welcome to Cannabis Council's Marijuana Minute. I'm attorney Thomas Levine, one of the partners at Cannabis Council law firm in Detroit, Michigan. Cannabis Council established in 1999. Today's talk is about the analysis by the Federal Department of Health and Human Services backing up their recommendation to reschedule cannabis from Schedule I to Schedule III. Basically, their key findings that were necessary was a lower abuse potential. Compared to Schedule I and II drugs, cannabis poses a lower risk of abuse based on data regarding prevalence and harms associated with its use. Number 2, currently accepted medical use. The Department of Health and Human Services acknowledges widespread use of cannabis for medical conditions like anorexia, nausea, and pain, satisfying the currently accepted medical use requirement. Number 3, moderate to low physical dependence. What they found was abuse may lead to moderate or low physical dependence. And while some psychological dependence is possible, high psychological dependence is unlikely. The analysis excludes hemp products and those focused on CBD due to the 2018 Farm Bill legalizing hemp if it has delta-9 THC equal to or less than 0.3%. However, their widespread use, that is CBD, what they say is, quote, their widespread use may contribute to the epidemiological data on marijuana use that is discussed in factors 4, 5, and 6 of this scientific and medical evaluation. In other words, unregulated intoxicating hemp products may, to some extent, be skewing the analysis to make the harms associated with cannabis abuse appear worse than they actually are. So in other words, it's so broadly used, and they're not seeing all these negative outcomes. Comparisons are drawn to alcohol's abuse profile despite its legal status. So that's sort of an interesting new analysis that's being performed, and it ought to enter the evaluation as it has here. So comparisons are drawn to alcohol's abuse profile in this analysis, even though it's not a schedule substance. The document acknowledges the variability of cannabis, but focuses on THC as the key active substance. Concerns are raised about the lack of uniformity in state-level regulations and the unregulated illicit market. Data on FDA-approved synthetic THCs is considered relevant to this analysis. Overall, the comprehensive analysis conducted by HHS and the rationale behind their recommendation to reschedule cannabis, which could have significant implications for its legal analysis and accessibility. Now, we've always advocated for the descheduling of cannabis, but my next video will discuss just the idea that if we are stuck with this Schedule III, a question that has arose in my mind is whether that would be inconsistent with various states' legalization and regulations that are in place that have legalized cannabis. So at this point, I'll end this video, and feel free to contact us at Cannabis Council. Happy to represent businesses jumping into this space. I'm Thomas Levine. Have a great day.